Tie rods. There are 4 tie rods. Each tie rod will be stamped with the number 1 through 4 on the stationary platen threaded end. If the rod is crowned, it will be stamped with a T to mark the top of the crown. On the stationary platen injection unit side, there will be corresponding numbers stamped on the machined area close to where the tie rods will be located. When the tie rods are put in place, ensure that the number on the tie rod matches the number on the stationary platen. If there is a T stamped on the tie rod, ensure its location will be at the top. Lubricate the threaded end of the tie rods, and each opening of the pancake platen, moving platen, and the stationary platen to prevent scoring the tie rods as they are installed. The platens may have to be shifted slightly to ensure the tie rods will slide in smoothly. Before the tie rods slide into the stationary platen, there is a 2-piece collar that has to be installed onto each tie rod. The optional tie rod puller rod is mounted on the top non-operator side of the machine. The collar for the tie rod puller rod is hydraulically actuated, so like the other tie rod collars, it must be installed before the tie rod slides into the stationary platen. Once the collars are on, the tie rods can now continue until the collars seat into the stationary platen. After all 4 tie rods are in place, the 16 bolts that were installed holding the stationary platen to the base rails can now be torqued to 1,000 foot-pounds and marked.